What's up, George here with Bulk Supplements, and today we're going to talk about Soy Protein Isolate. We'll go over a brief description, we'll talk about the benefits and common uses, and then we'll also go over what the recommended dosage is. Let's get into it. So what is soy protein isolate? Well, on one hand, proteins are large molecules that are critical for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. Soy protein actually comes from soybeans, which are high protein peas that manufacturers turn into soybean powder. During this process, the soybean is stripped from any fibers, sugars, or minerals, isolating only protein, hence the name soy protein isolate. Unlike other sources of vegetarian proteins out there, soy protein contains the 9 essential amino acids that you would find in animal products. This is why it is called a complete protein. So now that we know some of the background, let's talk about the potential benefits of supplementing with soy protein. Since soy protein is a complete protein, you can expect to find very similar benefits that you would get if you were supplementing with animal-based proteins. These benefits consist on muscle building and muscle tissue repair, the creation of enzymes and hormones, a reduction in high cholesterol, and since it's vegetarian, it may be easily digestible for those that are lactose intolerant. Not to mention that soy protein has a higher absorption rate than whey protein. Here at Bulk Supplements, we have soy protein available in powder form, which you can easily add to your smoothie or shake, or get a little more creative and make some granola bars or protein pancakes. The recommended dosage is 30 grams per day, which is about 27 grams of protein. But please, keep in mind that this is not medical advice and you should consult your physician before taking this or any other supplement. So let's say you have decided to get soy protein, and there are a ton of options out there to choose from, but allow me to give you this piece of advice. Go with a reputable company that cares about the quality of their product and the safety of the consumer. I'm going to make it easier for you and drop 2 links in the description below. One's going to be for Amazon, the other one's going to be directly to our website where you can find this and over 500 other supplements to choose from. Unlike the competition, here at Bulk Supplements, we don't use any additives, sweeteners, or other fillers. In fact, every single one of our products is lab tested at our FDA inspected facility, and everything here is manufactured to CGMP standards, so you can be rest assured that you're getting the quality that you deserve. Now please do us a favor and hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more informational videos just like this one, and we'll see you on the next time.